In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the kill switch in Nordvpn 2025. We're going to explore how this feature works to keep your browsing safe. To start off, you'll need to launch the Nordvpn app and log into your account. It's important to make sure you're all set up and ready to access the settings so we can get going with enabling the kill switch. Once you're logged in, you'll need to navigate to the settings area. You can find this by clicking the gear icon or selecting settings from the sidebar or menu. It's where all the magic happens and where you'll find the control for the kill switch feature. In the settings, you're going to look for the section labeled kill switch. This is your safeguard that helps maintain privacy should anything go awry with your VPN connection. When you open up this section, you'll notice that there are two types of kill switches available, the internet kill switch and the app kill switch. The internet kill switch is the more comprehensive of the two. It cuts all internet connection the moment your VPN disconnects. This is ideal for those who require full-scale protection. On the other hand, the app kill switch is a bit more selective. It only shuts down specific applications such as your web browser or torrent client if the VPN connection drops. This is a great option if you're just looking to secure certain activities on your device. Now comes the part where you toggle the switches to the ON position. You'll see the option next to the internet kill switch to activate it for full protection. Doing this will ensure your entire internet traffic is blocked during any connection drop, safeguarding your online presence comprehensively. Alternatively, if you choose the app kill switch, you'll need to select which applications you want to automatically close if the connection is lost. It requires a bit of a tailored approach but offers flexibility in guarding specific applications. Moving on to how it all functions. The kill switch operates by constantly monitoring your VPN connection for any changes or interruptions. If at any point your VPN connection drops unexpectedly, the kill switch kicks in instantaneously. It blocks your internet traffic to prevent exposure of your IP address and any sensitive data. This automatic response is key to keeping your online activity completely private and secure, even during the instability of a VPN connection. Once that connection is restored, the kill switch seamlessly re-enables your internet access without any additional steps from you. There you have it. With the kill switch, you can continue your online activities with peace of mind, knowing you have an extra layer of security against unexpected disconnections. Thank you for watching, and stay safe online.